I formed the Public Lands Advisory Committee with the tribes, and for a year and a half, we met twice a month for a year and a half to plot these things out. But that was all that was disregarded. That meant nothing to anybody. We're just going to designate it through an executive fiat order. But during that process, one of the people who was from the environmental side of the aisle said, "Why do you get so upset about lines drawn on a map?" And I said, lines drawn on a map have caused more wars throughout history than anything else. And we see that right now in Israel, what's going on. Those boundaries mean something. And I'll hold up a piece of paper in the shape of Utah, and most people can identify it. And I say, that boundary means something. It's not arbitrary. We're not an administrative subunit of the federal government. We are a state. In 1896, it meant something when Utah attained its statehood. And now when Joe Biden comes into Arizona and designates a national monument, nearly 1 million acres on top of the United States Strategic Uranium Reserve, that should be a problem. And since all that uranium comes to the mill in Blanding, where I'm from, it's definitely a problem for Blanding, but it's a problem for the United States.